Good morning students. Now we'll discuss how to make a rectangular bottle model. See, already I have made rectangular bottle model. See, this model consists of a cuboid, frustum and cuboid. See, I have taken 6 centimeter side, the base side 6 centimeter, height is 15 centimeter, this one 6 centimeter, this one 3 centimeter, this is cap 3.5 centimeter, okay, and this one the mouth, okay, mouth 3 centimeter side. So how to make this one, you see. So I will draw the net diagram, and after cutting the net diagram and folding the sides and border, pasting, we can get this type bottle model. Okay, so as the base is 6 centimeter, so 6 into 4, 24 centimeter. I will take the length and 15 centimeter at the height. So 6, 12, 18 and 24. This one 15 centimeter. And here 24 centimeter. So here 6, 12, 18 and 24. Now I'll join this one, this side. Now this one. So this one A, B, C, D, A, 6 centimeter each. This one A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, A dash, 15 centimeter. Okay, now border, side border. Now see the base. So the base you have to make a square 6 centimeter side. So this one 6, the C, that is for B, and this one A. Now border. So this one body, and this one the rectangle bottle model. Okay, now we'll make the mouth, this person. So this person, so only 4 side, 3 centimeter side. So 3 into 4, 12 centimeter. So 3, 6, 9 and 12. So 12 centimeter. Now join the side here. So here 3, 3, 3, 3 is 3. So this one height also 3. A, B, C, D, A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, A dash. Now border. So this is mouth portion. So mouth over. Now come to the cap. So for cap the 3.5 centimeter. So 3.5 into 4. So 14 centimeter. You have to take the length and 3.5 side as breadth. So 14 centimeter. So 3.5. Now 7, 10.5 and 14. And this one 3.5 height or breadth. Now join the sides just like cube only. So this one 3.5, 3.5, 3.5. So this one A, B, C, D, A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, A dash. Now one more, this cap cover 3.5 side, 3.5 centimeter. So this one A dash and this one B dash 3.5. Now border. So this is cap. This is cap. Now strip to keep the bottle cap intact. So one strip is there required. You can make stylish one. So this is our now the frustum portion. So our this one body over, cap over and mouth over. Now this frustum. So for frustum I have taken another sheet of paper. So this one 6 centimeter and this one 3 centimeter. So double the side. So that is 12 centimeter. So 12 centimeter radius, that means 24 centimeter dia. So this one. Okay, this is O A. This one 6 and here 6. So here 6 centimeter. I kept here 6 centimeter. Now it is 12 centimeter. 12 centimeter aside. So taking O as center, 12 centimeter. So this 12 centimeter and now 6 centimeter lower, 3 2 ja 6. So 6 centimeter. Okay, so this is our. Now we'll join. Now taking 6 centimeter side. So this is 1 6. So this one. Now this one this is B, C, D and A. Now we'll join this one. Now this section, this one. So now this one joined. So this one A dash and now B dash, C dash, D dash, A dash. So 3 3 3 3 and this one. So I'll join this one. So this one 6 centimeter, 6 6 6 6. Okay, now the border. Okay, so that means this one frustum, this one rectangular frustum. So by joining the sides this way, we can get the points. So now we'll cut the net diagram. This one, this portion is this one is this one is this, and this cap is this mouth is this one. So now we'll cut it and I will show how it will fit to this one. Now now after cutting the net diagram and folding the sides and border, we will get like this. This one the body part, this one the frustum, this one mouth and this one cap. So see, if you fold like this, you will get exactly this one the bottle. Now so next is now this one the cap, this one the cap, this one cap, mouth, this one the frustum, this one frustum, okay, and this one the mouth. Okay, so this will exactly, it will fit if you fit like this. So you see this will fit into this one, exactly fitting the body, then it will fit here. Now see, it will fit to here. See, now this is cap and mouth, so this is mouth will fit like this. And now this one, the cap will fit like this, exactly the cap. So this way By pasting you can get a bottle. Thank you.